The greatest barometer of a success of a league is the product itself.
Para sa akin, I wanna know why we're having the arena. Is it for the sake to own an arena? Is it for because ang mahal ng binabayad natin sa Araneta? And what goal do we want to achieve? Why we getting the arena? Because right now, parang ganun na rin naman nangyari sa PBA. The PBA is basically in Araneta most of the time, in Inyares. And ang sigaw lagi ng fans, can you go to our city? Can you go to our place? Lagi na lang nandoon. And I think pag nagkaroon ng arena, it could be counterproductive kasi syempre, ikaw na yung PBA. Hindi na ako gagastos. Doon na lang tayo lagi maglaro pero mangyayari magiging isolated yung fan base sa local. Parang magiging counterproductive pag nagkaroon ka.
To me, regardless of where the arena, what kind of arena, however they play in that arena, ang produkto pa rin, Pao. The greatest barometer of a success of a league is the product itself. Pero at the end of the day, when the product is stale, hindi pupunta yon. Pero what I don't see, yun ang sinabi mo nga, you have to grow your fan base first before. It's like buying a new car, Pao. So in this regard, you have to beautify your product first. So makita natin, oh, talagang dumami na. Then you talk about making an arena.